In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can change the currency that is available on Facebook Marketplace. Now, for a lot of people, when you go onto Facebook Marketplace, the currency is going to be your default currency for your location. So if you're from the UK, it's just going to be in pounds, whereas if you're from America, it'll be in dollars. Your native location is where the currency is going to get picked from. Now, I'm going to tell you how you can change this. Before I do that, I want to say please make sure to watch the whole video to ensure that you get everything correct and that you don't miss any steps, because if you do, it might not work. So the first thing we need to do is we need to go to facebook.com/marketplace and we need to sign into our account. Now, I'm pretty sure you're probably quite familiar with how to sign into your Facebook account, so I won't bore you with the details of that. Now, once we go here, we can go into Marketplace and we can look at the different things available on Marketplace. You can see right now they are in pounds. So the way that we're going to change the currency is we need to go into the settings. So go up to your profile here and click on it and go to settings. Up here you can see, go settings and privacy, click settings here. Now this is where it gets a little bit tricky and hit or miss. For some people's accounts, you'll be able to change your currency. For some, you will not be able to. On my account, I cannot change my currency, but I'll teach you how you can do it on yours if you have the option available. So on the left, there'll be a little thing here that will say something like account settings, something like that. You click on that and it would come up with a little thing and it will ask you what currency do you want to be browsing in. So you'd click on that and you would change the currency to whatever currency you'd like. For example, dollars or euros, whatever currency you want to buy in. Now, for me, you can see I don't have this feature and a lot of accounts do not have this feature, which is very annoying, but it's just the way Facebook is operating. Now, if you don't have the option there, what you're going to have to do instead is you're going to have to manually convert the prices of things using something like Google currency converter or something like that. So that's basically how you would do it. Now, if you found this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe. I'm sorry that if this doesn't work for you. It's very annoying that it doesn't work for me either. But that is basically the best you can do. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and comment down below that this helped. Thank you for watching.